Brad Jacobs, a dude who built 7 companies worth billions, isn't selling snake oil. Instead, his book, How to Make a Few $1 Billion, offers a down-to-earth roadmap for ambitious folks like you and me to conquer the high-stakes world of entrepreneurship. 1. Fueling your rocket, the passion engine. Think of yourself as a superhero, but instead of superpowers, you've got this burning passion that fuels your every move. It's not just about making money, although hey, that's cool too. It's about finding something you love doing so much, you'd do it even if they paid you in pizza. Though let's hope they offer actual cash too. This passion is your engine, the thing that keeps you going when the rocket gets bumpy. 2. Choosing your launch pad, where to blast off from. You wouldn't launch a rocket from a swamp, would you? Same goes for your business. Jacob says to find an industry that's booming like a firework factory on the 4th of July. Look for problems people are crying out to solve, needs that haven't been met yet. Don't just join the crowd, be the one creating a whole new party in a different corner of the galaxy. 3. Assembling your dream team, the crew you don't fly solo with. No superhero saves the day alone. You need a kick-ass crew, your trusted sidekicks in this entrepreneurial adventure. Find folks with skills you lack and a passion that matches yours. Build a team where everyone trusts each other, cheers each other on, and shares the same awesome vision. Remember, happy teamwork makes the dream work. 4. Building your $1 billion blueprint, the plan that makes your rocket soar. Every great rocket needs a blueprint, and your business is no different. Jacobs helps you craft a compelling message that tells everyone why your rocket is the coolest one in the sky. What makes your solution unique? Why should people choose you over all the other flying machines? Once you have your answer, shout it from the rooftops, or, use clever marketing strategies. 5. Marketing your masterpiece, making your rocket the talk of the town. Your awesome solution is a hidden treasure chest, but if no one knows the key, it'll stay locked away. Marketing is your magical key-finding mission. Jacob shows you how to spread the word about your incredible rocket, from old-school posters to fancy internet tricks. The louder and clearer your message, the more likely it is to attract investors, the rocket fuel that keeps your journey going. 6. Adapting to space junk. When the journey gets bumpy, the road to billions isn't paved with stardust. You'll hit space junk, aka challenges, along the way. But Jacob says, embrace the bumps. Be ready to adjust your course, tweak your plan, and learn from your mistakes. Think of it like dodging asteroids. It's all part of the thrilling adventure. 7. Leading with kindness. The captain who doesn't yell much. Being a leader isn't about barking orders like a grumpy space general. Jacob says to lead with compassion, humility, and integrity. Be the captain who inspires trust, empowers your crew, and makes everyone feel like they're part of something bigger than themselves. A happy, motivated crew is a crew that takes your rocket to the farthest reaches of success. 8. Beyond the billions. Making a difference while counting cash. Sure, making $1 billion is pretty cool, but Jacob says there's more to life than just zeros in your bank account. Use your business smarts to make a positive impact, solve real problems, and leave the world a better place than you found it. Billions are nice, but a legacy of good deeds is priceless. Subscribe and watch for more book wisdom.